I baked my macaroni dish for about 25 minutes, and if you followed the recipe, you saw that the breadcrumbs and butter were actually at the bottom of the pan, not on top. So what's interesting is, in looking at this, and we're about to look at it together, the top of it really doesn't look much different than when we put it in. I mean, the fact is, the cheese was already folded in, the breadcrumbs are on the bottom, so there's really nothing to get a crust. So what we're going to do instead, I better keep this on, is I'm going to take some out and put it on my pan upside down, and there you see the breadcrumbs. So the crusty breadcrumbs are there, they are just on the bottom, not on the top, which is a little unusual, but obviously since the Revolutionary War, we've learned a lot of things, and one thing we've learned is put the crust on the top. So, since Thomas Jefferson was such a huge fan of wine, I brought a bottle of Morlaix Passionnement 2012 Cabernet Sauvignon. This is made in Napa Valley at Morlaix Family Vineyards, and Luc Morlaix is French. So I thought, because Thomas Jefferson, as ambassador to France, brought over so much French wine, I would drink French wine as well.